Hello everyone, I am Jayda Mangelen.
And I'm Jamil Lumugda.
And now we're gonna do the blindfolded trust walk.
Stand up. Right side in 1 foot. Step forward into 3. 1, 2, 3. Step. Step foot into right. Right. Another. Step forward into 2. Step. 2 step into left side. And turn around. Forward step. Left side in 1 foot. And straight forward into 5. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 lang. And right side in 1 foot. Another. And turn around. Turn around. Sit.
Okay, let's start. Mujahida, stand up. Right. 1 step. Forward. 3 steps. Forward. Step. Right. Turn to your right. 1, 2. 1 step. 1 step. 2 right side. Up. Straight forward. Step. Turn to your left. Left side. Forward. Step. Left side. Turn to your left side. Up. Forward. Turn to left. Step. Left. And 1 step left. Turn to left side. Straight forward. Go. Stop. Left side. Then sit.
Hello everyone, our next task is to discuss to you the brief discussions.
Yes, malalaman natin dito kung ano yung mga na-experience namin during the task. Imagine the thrill and the ability of stepping into the unknown and relying on your partner's voice and guidance is such emotional surge within you as you step through uncertainty. And how did this task or experience reshape my understanding of trust and connection to my partner?
Being blindfolded can feel disorienting, confusing, and frustrating because it's difficult to navigate without sight, and it can be difficult to navigate especially in an unfamiliar location or place. Okay.
Imagine the power of words as you only tool for stepping where every instruction and reassurance from your partner becomes a lifeline, and how did it the clarity or ambiguity of your verbal communication influence your ability to trust and move forward in that blindfolded experience?
Communicate with Mujahida through sense of hearing kasi nakikinig lang ako sa mga sinasabi niya para ma-guide ako and para ma-complete yung task na hindi ko nababangga yung mga obstacles, yung mga bangko na nilagay namin.
The obstacle and arose as you move through the unfamiliar way, where every step felt uncertain, and the internal and external challenges tested me is to resolve and trust in my partner. Charis.
Challenges did you face during the task? So, I think the challenge in the task is wala kang makita kasi naka-blindfold ka and zero visibility. As in, wala kang makita, hindi mo alam kung mababangga ka ba or what. Kailangan mo lang talaga magtiwala sa partner mo para makompleto yung task na pinapagawa na blindfold challenge.
Imagine the profound impact of surrounding con- control and relying entirely on your partner during the task and this activity. It's such a experience of vulnerability and dependence reshape my perception to trust. And what new sight did I gain about the strength of my trust to my partner?
For me now is as a since the group dynamics is yung task is by pair, it for me it affect a lot to us because kail, kailangan mo talagang magtiwala sa partner mo no matter what because kayo yung nakasalalay and grade nyo yung nakasalalay sa task na yun na pinapagawa. So pag na mali yung isa sa inyo, meaning magkakama hindi makukompleto yung task na pinapagawa sa inyo sa inyong dalawa and maapektuhan kayo. So kailangan mo talagang mag-trust sa partner mo para makakompleto yung activity. And that's it. Very important na meron talagang clear communication in one group. In group. Especially, for example, sa ginawa namin na blind folded challenge which is yung by pair. So, kung wala yung naga-guide sa akin na using the verbal, using sinasabi niya na left or right, kung saan ako pupunta, kung hindi niya sinasabi kung saan ako pupunta, may tendency talaga na mababangga ko yung mga obstacle na yon and hindi namin ma-complete yung task na pinapagawa. So, importante talaga na sa isang grupo merong trust and clear communication sa bawat isa.
Consider how the experience of stepping while blindfolded highlighted the critical role of communication in building trust, and what revelation did I have about how effective dialogue can bridge gaps in understanding and strengthen the bonds between me and my partner. And the most important to gain lesson in this task is trust. Trust is the backbone of successful teamwork. Remember that, guys.